In this episode of Akram's Ideas, I wear a pair of pants. Hello and welcome. I'm Akram Birth, and you're watching Akram's Ideas, bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. In this episode of Akram's Ideas, I have for you a pattern review of the CocoWawa Crafts Cinnamon Trousers. Now, if you are not familiar with CocoWawa Crafts, I encourage you to take a look at all the amazing patterns designed by Anna, who is the creator of CocoWawa Crafts. I will leave the link below to CocoWawa Crafts and to the cinnamon trousers, which we're going to be talking about. Now, I love CocoWawa Crafts patterns. I believe this is like the 4th release, and I've gotten every single pattern that's come out. So I've got the marshmallow pattern, which was this lovely drop waist dress that has back buttons, and it's just really, really lovely. I've made it in a Christmas plaid, and I have a summer version planned for this year, so I'm excited about that. Then there is the lily blouse that is sort of this sailor-inspired collar, which I used for the Colors of the Flag Challenge last year, and I love that pattern. And I have another lily blouse planned for the summer as well. This past fall was the release of the chestnut sweater, which I made 2. And another great thing about the CocoWawa Crafts patterns is that there's often a release of a mini pattern, which is for children's sizes. So with the chestnut sweater, I've actually gotten the child size so I can make my niece one of those when I get around to it. But that is the plan, so hopefully I'll get to that. But the latest release has been the cinnamon trousers. I love the look of these trousers. When I first saw them on Instagram and Anna was showing them and all the ruffles and everything, I was leery of actually making this pattern because I have been scared of making pants, and I don't know why that is, but I've just been putting it off. I've made 2 pairs of shorts. They came out okay. I was not impressed with the fit, and I think I just felt like I wasn't ready to make a pair of pants. But after making my day and night challenge dress and that full jacket, my husband was like, you have no excuse for making anything anymore because you've obviously shown that you can accomplish almost anything. So immediately after finishing that, I jumped into making the cinnamon trousers, and I am so happy that I did, and I love the way they look. Now, the cinnamon trousers has a lot of great details, and a lot of those details also make it a really good beginner pattern for pant making. One, it doesn't have a fly or anything. It has a side zip, which is great, and it has an elasticated back waistband. So it also helps with the fitting, especially in the area where you're most full in the behind. So I think those 2 features really make this pattern much easier to address than if I was making, like, say, the ginger jeans or something. Other than that, some of the really great features that I really love about these pants are the ruffle details. So there's ruffle details along the pockets and as well as the bottom hem, and they are just so adorable. They make these pants look super girly, super cute. I was telling my husband that these are my picnic pants because it just feels like when I wear these, like I want to go to a picnic. Like, they are super cute. Now, the pattern itself has several different variations. So you can obviously make them without the ruffle accessories if you are not into ruffles. You can make them with the standard ruffle or a pleated type ruffle. Now, aside from those versions, there's also two fit versions of the pants. So there's a loose fit and then there's a tight fit. And I chose to go with the loose fit just because I don't often wear a tight fit of pants, and I feel like the loose fit was perfect. It came out just my size. I didn't grade anything of the pants. I cut my size and did them straight up, and they worked amazing. The fit on these are excellent. The only thing is it's a little snug around the thigh. I don't think that's anything about the pattern itself. It may be a little bit of the stretch of the fabric that I chose, but it's not uncomfortable. It's just I could use a little room there, but hopefully I'll be losing weight in the thigh and I won't have any problems. Overall though, at the waist, everything fit perfectly. The waist itself falls at just below your natural waist, so it's more of a low-rise fit. I don't typically wear low-rise pants, but since I usually wear longer shirts anyways, it doesn't really bother me. Now, I made my pants out of a fabric that had a little bit of stretch to it just to help with any fitting issues that I might have had. And the print was a houndstooth print. I was actually inspired by one of the pairs that Anna made where it was out of a Grinham black and white fabric. And I looked through my stash and I found that I had this black and white houndstooth that I thought would be perfect for the pair of pants. And I had just enough, just enough to knock out this pair, and it worked out amazingly. Another nice little feature is that this was the first time that I did traditional pant pockets. I don't know what you call that style of pocket, but I actually, for the pocket lining, because you could do a contrasting lining on the inside, I actually had some scrap red houndstooth from a dress that I made like 4 years ago because I keep all my scraps. And so I used the red on the inside. You can't see it at all on the outside of the pants, but whenever you put your hand in there, you get just a little glimpse of it. And I think it's like super cute. I think it's just really fun to have that in there. I've actually paired these pants today with one of my Tilly and the Buttons Coco shirts that I've made recently, and I have or will have a blog post about my Coco tops, and this baby blue top just works so amazingly well with these pants. It's just too cute. I think I might make something in pink as well to go with these, but I don't know, they're just super adorable, and like I said, the fit is spot on. I'm not really sure why it took me so long to get around to attempting to make pair of pants, but it may be that I was just waiting for the right pattern, and these definitely were it. In general, I will say that I do plan to make some more of these pants just because they're just super cute and I really like wearing them. I think they're just really comfortable and they're great for running around or just loafing at home. I really love the look of them, and I can't wait to get more in my wardrobe. So like I said, great beginner pants pattern, really lovely, really enjoy them. So if you haven't had a chance to go out and make the cinnamon trousers, I truly recommend it. I'd love to hear in the comments below any recommendations for pants patterns that I should give a try. If you've enjoyed this episode of Akram's Ideas, be sure to give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow Akram's Ideas on social media and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!